Hi there, I'm Jolene the Tool Woman Taylor, and I am in the middle of redoing my entire back porch. It's been a really great project so far. So what I want to show you here is how I spray painted wicker furniture using General Finisher's milk paint. And you'll see in the video that first I used this lamp black to prime the wicker. Took one coat and it was thinned. Thinning your paint is huge. Then I painted it coastal blue. One thing, and I used a sprayer and I thinned it down 10%. You'll see all that in the video. One thing that I don't show in the video is this exterior satin 450. This is for outdoor furniture. And this is what I am using right now. I'm currently spraying it and I thinned it out 5%. It's going very well. So I don't want to make too long of an intro, but I just want to let you know that I did research trying to see how to spray paint wicker furniture. They're mostly just people who use cans, so I thought it'd be helpful for you to see my process here. Enjoy, and please look for notes down in the description for anything I may be forgetting to tell you or wanted you to know, and it may answer some questions that you have. Thanks for watching. Alright, so last year my sister gave me this awesome set of, it's resin wicker furniture, and my plan is to wash it down and paint it. He's gonna be a YouTube star. I used cabinet deglosser that I had on hand, but you can use anything like Simple Green or any sort of grease and grime remover. Okay, so the chairs are all clean and they've had time to dry. I'm sitting in one and I'm not wet, so I'm assuming they're dry. I'm going to be using this lamp black milk paint as a primer. I'm going to thin it. The manufacturer's recommendation is no more than 10% water to 10% water, whatever. So I'm going to be spraying it using this sprayer that my husband had on hand. I've got it all oiled and ready to go. It looks like it will hold a whole one of these, but I don't know. It doesn't say. I'm a little bit nervous, but it's time to just do this. I wanted to play it safe, so I only added a half a can of the paint and 1.5 ounces of water to the roughly 16 ounces of paint. And the paint I'm using is milk paint by General Finishers. It lays flat, kind of like a satin flat. I was so nervous about using the sprayer because I'd never done it before, but I can tell you that it is every bit as satisfying as you think it would be, and I don't believe I'm ever going to paint without using the sprayer again. So I'm just really taking my time here, going slow, even brush strokes, obviously, getting close with the can, and making sure I'm hitting all the spots. Wicker's one of those things that you may have think you got a spot, but you did not get it, and you can kind of touch it to see if it's wet or not. These are the results after priming it with only one coat. And I just stayed with that one coat. I never had to go over it again until I got to the paint I was going to use. So those chairs are covered enough. They're in the garage waiting right now. And tomorrow I'm going to slap some blue on them. Let's get this thing started. I will perform several magic tricks. There has got to be an easier way, but until I find it, I'm sleeping in this bad boy. Yeah, I'm spending the night in it. So I just wanted you to see what it looks like when I'm putting the blue on over the black and how easily it's going on. And this, of course, is fast motion. I'm not painting that fast. So this is the final outcome. These chairs are in the shade. And then the next is with the cushions. It looks like a brand new set of furniture.
Oh yeah, I saw that one. Wait, where's Mom? Is she still outside?
Oh my gosh.
What the heck is wrong with that woman?
Oh, did I just see her?
What? No.
Oh my goodness. Cold. It's been out here all night. Is she talking in her sleep?
And you might thin it, and then
Woman,
and I,
have you been out here all night?
what day is it?
Your project. It's Friday, woman.
Oh my, is this a dream?
Yeah, it's literally July.
What?
Yeah,
Oh my gosh, I have a porch to get to.
we finished it for you.
Yeah, no, you finished it. It's done.
I did?
Yeah.
You did it in your sleep.
Ah.